Did you know that you can have your phone automatically answer phone calls? It's true, and it's easy to set up and turn off depending on which one you want to do. So to do that, go into the settings, scroll down to accessibility. This is the very main settings page. Scroll down to where it says touch, tap on that. Scroll down to where it says call to audio routing, click on that, and then click on auto answer calls, which by default is off. If we turn this on, we can now adjust the number of seconds the phone will wait before it auto answers. 3 seconds is the minimum time that it'll wait, and after 3 seconds of the call not being answered, it's going to auto answer it. You can press the plus to make this longer. It can wait up to, I don't know how many. Let's see how far this goes. Well, it could be here all day. 60 seconds. So it'll wait 1 minute of ringing before it'll auto answer as the maximum. You can pick whichever one you want in here. And then if you don't want this feature on at some point, just come back into this setting here and turn it off. And now the calls won't be auto answered. Something you also might not be aware of is that your phone could have viruses and malware on it without you even knowing. So check out this video, which will help you find out if there are viruses and malware, and if there are, it'll help you remove them. Check out that video. If you like the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.